Welcome to the third episode of my Japan Chronicles. Today, we will spend the day in Nara City. Our tour guide, Vanessa, picked us up from our hotel and commuted with us going there. Ang gaganda ng uniform nila. Sana all. Ganyan pa din sa Manila.
After the meeting, once we start seeing deer, I might lose you around the deer, you know?
That's why it was sort of frustrating for me. I only have anime level language.
Be careful about the poop.
Oh, yeah.
They're everywhere. I saw a deer pooping. Oh! That. Our first agenda is to visit these temples.
So origin of this whole area here, Fukuji, is around 750. Because Nara was, capital of Japan.
Then we passed by this very picturesque spot, and of course, we had to stop by and take pictures of the scenery.
Ate, look, he's painting.
Cherry blossom, may green tea.
What kind of...
That you know, the chocolate tea or this one here?
What? I can't help that. Eee, they're following us. You're following them.
Yeah.
We ordered cherry blossom ice cream. How does it taste like? If I eat the leaves, the flowers, will I taste this?
I'm not sure.
I was quite nervous about approaching them because I saw videos of people getting attacked, but they were really polite. Before handing over the cookie, you can even make them bow.
No kissing, please. One more. Okay.
You can pet, yeah, you can pet him if you want.
Bitch! No more.
Dear bitch.
Ah!
Hi, say hi to my vlog, dear. Hi. Hi to my vlog. Hi. Nangati daw puwit ni.
Bihig siya, tulog na yun. Tulog na.
Alam niya na eh, na pag gumanin ka, bibigyan siya pagkain kahit wala ino-offer.
Chloe's treat.
That kind of French kind of biscuit, huh?
So this one you recommend? Can we get one?
We then visited a shop in the area to pick up some gifts for our loved ones back home. I bought these adorable deer keychains as gifts for my friends.
I'll get this one.
After such a long walk, we opted to eat lunch first. This restaurant has a view of the deer park.
Pasta, Shinto gratin, caramel, caramel cream.
Darling, there was nothing left. All you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone. I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be.
Tapos siya ba nagsabi, I'm gonna walk behind you because I walk really slow.
She really tries to talk to
Look how far they are. Layo, grabe. This part of the city is so peaceful, no?
I wasn't expecting anything when I entered the place. When we first arrived, I assumed we would visit another temple, so this garden was a complete surprise. We came across this just when I thought I'd already seen the most beautiful view. The first word that came to my mind was tranquility. I felt more at home and at peace here because this wasn't as crowded as the other attractions. The whole time we were in this garden, I couldn't help but smile.
Wow. Wow.
This is one of the 2 places in Japan that I would love to visit again when we go back.
Si Mami nung Korea, hingal na hingal habang umaakyat sa hills. Ngayon, siguro hindi niyo nararamdaman na paakyat ang nilalakaran namin kasi may kausap. Kung may fortune teller dito, guess niyo kung pupunta kaming Belgium next year. Bibigyan ko kayo ng prayers pag nanalo kayo. Shit, pinagpapawisan ako.
Tiis, yan ang tinatawag na tiis ganda.
Tapos kapag tinanggal ko naman to, malalamigan ako. Ito yung init ng naka-aircon pa rin sa Pilipinas. 10,000 steps ka na. Ako 8,000 pa lang. Ba't ganun? Ba't ganun? Mas marami kang steps.
Thank you.
Since I was still in awe of the garden, this temple also took me aback. I was taken aback by how massive the Buddha was in Todaiji.
Going to be like a celebration here, which is called, so it's the ceremony of the Buddha's birth. So it's like a happy birthday party. So think of your question. Think of your question. Shake first. Shake. And then turn. And then you have a number.
Done?
Think of your question, huh?
Shake it while thinking of the question.
And then, inside the temple, we tried out this fortune teller.
Do you remember? 49. Yeah.
This is mine.
I don't see. I don't watch. You have Daikichi.
What? Best luck?
Daikichi means best luck. So you have the best one.
You will have a successful life like plants will bloom in springtime.
Sakit na lang pa ako. Sana pwede akong lumipad. No, ayun, nakakaingit.
We climbed many flights of steps, which left us with very tired legs, but the ache was well worth it for this relaxing view.
This would have been harder if we took this going up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, the other side is easier.
The cherry blossoms were beginning to fall when we arrived, so we were delighted to find ourselves in this grove of full-bloom cherry blossoms.
Yes.
I was fatigued from the commute and the long line for this restaurant at the time, but the food here was so good that it restored my energy.
Una mo na lang si Poy pilitin niya.
I follow you in every step that you take. I will give you everything, my all. But for you, I'm a ghost, a shadow at most. My love.
That is it for day 3 of my Japan Chronicles. See you on day 4.